What's up, and welcome back to another episode of Gizmo Slip. Today we're unboxing and checking out the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and this is the 1 TB version that we'll be drop testing later in another video. So if you don't want to miss out on that, be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell. And these iPhones are actually made a little bit different here in Thailand, and they're actually better because they feature an entire SIM tray, allowing you to hot swap your SIM card between devices. It actually can be cheaper sometimes buying an iPhone in Thailand than it is in the United States, though currently it's still just a little bit more expensive buying it in Thailand versus the United States, but it just depends on the Thai to USD conversion rate and what it's at the moment. So if you were to buy this iPhone in the United States, it would be $15.99 for the iPhone itself. If you want 2 years of Apple Care Plus, it would be $279.98 for that, which is kind of expensive for Apple Care Plus. Now, there's also going to be sales tax in America, which is $167.90, bringing the total up to $2,047.87 if you wanted to buy this iPhone in America with Apple Care Plus. Now, if you buy this in Thailand, the iPhone cost is 64,900 baht. And if you want to get 2 years of Apple Care Plus, it's 7,790 baht, which is $240 equivalent. So $40 cheaper to get 2 years of Apple Care Plus. And I think the repair costs as well are quite a bit cheaper on a per repair deductible basis. So that's also really, really nice. Now, there is no sales tax in Thailand, so that brings our total up in Thailand to 72,690 baht, or $2,242.83. But if you have a tourist visa here in Thailand and you're only here for 60 days at a time, then you can actually get a VAT refund of 7% discount on the iPhone purchase itself, which is $156.99 discount. So basically 157 off, bringing our grand total with the current Thai to USD conversion rate at $2,085.83, or about $38 more than the United States pricing. But the thing is, this iPhone is upgraded compared to American iPhones. American iPhones rely only on eSIMs. And the downside with eSIMs is you can't hot swap the SIM cards. Like if you're traveling between countries, having a SIM slot is so much easier than having an eSIM. An eSIM, once it's in your phone, you can't quickly move it to another phone or device like this, my 5G wireless hotspot. This thing can run for about 8 hours, providing crazy fast speeds. I've seen speeds up to 350 megabits per second, but it averages more like 150 to 200 megabits per second here in Thailand. And it has 4G LTE support as well as 5G on this, and it works really, really well. So if I ever want to switch my SIM from my iPhone to this, I can just swap my Thai SIM over into this and give everyone around me unlimited internet as well as my original iPhone at no additional charge with complete flexibility. And when I'm visiting another country, I can just pop that SIM card into my new iPhone and have instant coverage without clogging my phone full of different eSIMs from different countries. So I really love having my own SIM card, and definitely makes me recommend buying an iPhone in a country like Thailand that has that SIM card support. So all of that said, today we're going to be unboxing and setting up the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and then in another video, we'll be drop testing this thing 10 times to see how durable it is. This thing looks pretty cool. I'm not usually an orange phone guy, but I guess it's a new color, so I'm just really drawn to it. I don't know. Yes, hello, baby boy. Hi. You gonna help me unbox the iPhone 17 Pro Max? Oh my. So this is Rocky. He's a cat I adopted from Lumpini Park. He was just a stray, but he was super friendly and cuddly and just super lovable. I love the crap out of him. He has his own YouTube channel now too. Link in the description if you want to check it out. And this is the other kitty cat I got named Sky, another stray from Lumpini Park. Rocky and Sky love hanging out together. They're like best friends. See, they're already licking each other. Pretty sure they're boyfriend and girlfriend. They just spend a lot of time cuddling and licking one another and playing and tackling each other. They're super cute and adorable. This is Sky. She's super cute too. She's not as cuddly, but she's still a good kitty cat. iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's open this up and take a look at the actual phone. That looks gorgeous. I mean, the way they did the colors, the two-tone here, I mean, it looks amazing. This bump going all the way across the back, the way they rearranged the components this time, it looks super cool. So here's the iPhone 17 Pro Max Cosmic Orange. Gosh, I love taking these off. Oh, it's so delicious. Okay, all right, I could do that all day. This thing is gorgeous. Oh, we're about to drop test the crap out of it. There's the SIM card slot right there. I like this two-tone nature to the back of the device now. Metal on the back of the device instead of glass, which I think that's a lot better choice because my iPhone 16 Pro Max, this sucker cracked right along the back glass up here. So, you know, the 17 Pro Max is not going to have that problem of cracking the glass, which I love that. One less area for it to be damaged, though I suppose the glass on the cameras now are still very vulnerable probably to cracking. So we'll have to see how that goes. Let's go ahead and check out what else is included in the box. We've got a braided USB-C to USB-C charging cable. That's a really nice looking cable. I wonder what the wattage that this can do. And look at that. Comes with a SIM card popper still. You know, it's been so long since I bought an iPhone that came with a SIM card popper. I don't know how many years. I guess aside from my 16 Pro Max, which probably also came with one. But you're going to need it for the SIM card tray in this. Anyway, let's check out this cable, how long it is. So this cable is really short. It's only about maybe 2.5 feet long. Don't expect this thing to help you charge your phone from like the floor to a table or something like that. All right, what else we got in here? iPhone. That's in Thai. That's, I think, in Vietnamese. Here is the English. Press and hold to turn on iPhone, choose ring, silent, volume up, charge. I mean, that's not particularly helpful. Oh, and then you got a little Thai notice, and that's it. Nothing else in the box. Let's go ahead and turn on the iPhone, and there it is. Okay, hello. We're gonna go ahead and go through the setup, but that's basically how you unbox an iPhone 17 Pro Max. Be sure to click up here if you don't wanna miss out on the new iPhone 17 Pro Max drop test that we're gonna go do right now. We'll see you in the next one. Brandon out.